Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a table in HTML. So here you can see I have simple index.html and in this I have a simple HTML structure. So here first of all, in order to create a table we need to use table tag. So I'm going to say on here table, and inside table we have table row and table data. So inside the table we are going to mention the tr tag. So inside the tr, first of all, in a table we have the table header. So we need to say here th. Th means table header and tr means table pro. So in the table header, let's say here student name, and I'm going to write th, let's say 3 more times. So I can just copy this and paste it 2 times. There you go. So after student name, let's say here it will be the class, student class. Then we're going to mention the student age, and this one will be student CGPA. So right now, if we save it, there you can see it will look like this. So this table header, right now we need to have table data for this table. So in order to write the table data, we need to mention another tr tag, and in the tr tag this time we're going to say here td. Td means table data. So I can just copy this and paste it over here 3 times. So let's say the first student name is Yamil, then his class is 9 and his age is, let's say, 16, and his CGPA is 3.39. And then you can see it is showing us all the table data over here. So this is a table, and if I want more data for this table, what I can do is that I can just copy this and paste it over there. But right now, this doesn't actually look like a table, so we need to make them design. So first of all, here you can see this is the table header. Let's say for the table header, we want a background color. So here I'm going to say EG color, it will be sky blue. If you now say it will look like this. And this for the table header. Let's say for the table data, we also want a color. So in that case, what we can do is that we can just copy this and paste it here. And for it, let's say the color will be light gray. So let me say here light gray. If you now say, there you can see it will look like this. Now let's say for the table, we also want a background color. So for it, what we can do is that we can say here BG color. Let's say black. Save, and there you can see we can also mention the border size. You could say here border, and let's say size will be cpx, save it, and there you can see it got bigger. It will say here 10 pixel, it will be way bigger. I think 3 pixel looks better. Save it, and there we go. So now let's say we want the width of the table a little bit of difference. So for it, what we can do is that we can just say over there width equal to, it will be, let's say, 150 pixel. If you now save it, there you can see for the student name the width changed. So I can just copy the width and paste it for each table header, and there we go. So there you can see it looks different. And here you can see we have the table data. So let's say we want the table data to be in the center. So for it, what we need to do is really simple. Here you can see tr. We just need to say there align. It will be centered. Save, and there you can see all the table data is in the center. So I can just copy this, and if I now just on both data, I just copy this tr, then paste it over there. And let's say instead of Yamin, let's say here Tanvir, and his class is, let's say, 8, and his age is 15, and CGB is 3.09. Let's add on more data. Let's say this time the name will be Wasif, and the class is 8, and the CGB is 3.79. Save, and there you can see. So this is how you can create a table in HTML. I hope this is useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.